Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning Document Object Modal in JavaScript. Watch this video till the end. The Document Object Model (DOM) is a tree-like structure that represents the entire web page HTML document in JavaScript. It allows JavaScript to interact with, modify, and manipulate HTML elements dynamically. Selecting elements in JavaScript. JavaScript provides various methods to select elements from the DOM. getElementById selects single element using its ID. getElementsByClassName selects all element that have specific class name. If you have more than one elements with same class name, then you have to mention particular element using index. querySelector selects the first matching element, works with ID, class, tag, etc. querySelectorAll selects all matching elements and returns a node list, similar to an array. If you have more than one elements with same class name or same tag name, then you have to mention particular element using index. Let's elaborate and understand each methods with proper examples. First, let's understand getElementById. You must be aware that there should be unique ID for each HTML element. After we specify an ID to h1 tag, then we can access the ID element and modify it according to our wish. You don't need to worry about all this methods like inner HTML, inner text, etc., as it will come with time. You just subscribe to our channel and we will keep uploading videos. By watching these videos, your every concept will be clear. Now let's look at other method getElementByClassName. In case of class name, more than one elements can have same class name. So in this case, this getElementByClassName method returns an array of all elements which has same class name. So we have to select the particular class name with its index. Rest everything will be same like the previous ID example. Only difference will be for selecting any particular element we need to specify its index. In this case, since paragraph 1 is the first element with class name, so it has index 0. Similarly, following the order, paragraph 2 has index 1 and paragraph 3 has index 2. Now let's move to another method, querySelector. In this method we can give any of three: ID name, class name, or tag name. This method selects only the first matching element. Like in this case, it will only select paragraph 1 because it is the first element which matches class name. Even if you will try to modify paragraph 2, it will not select. To solve this, you need to use querySelectorAll. It works same as getElementByClassName, and we need to specify the index of each element. In this method, it selects list of all elements which matches the exact ID name, class name, or tag name as specified. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.